that'll have to be undertaken, and including those that challenge some of the core principles or ideologies of our society. That'll have to be addressed in order for us to adequately combat, I suppose you'd say, or reverse the effects of climate change, if that's even possible.
That's just changed my perspective a little bit. So it is really doom and gloom, but it also is something that can help everybody move towards making the changes right now, because right now is where we're at, and so these changes should be taking place.
I think it was an amazing session. It's incredible that although we moan and groan about the banks and the investors and the super funds, they may actually be part of the solution in a big way. So it was fantastic to have that kind of insight.
One of the interesting aspects of the third session was the difference in optimism of what's happening, whether it's pessimism or optimism, and I think this is good because we then therefore challenge each other as to what the problem is and what the solution is.
I had a great time today. It was really good to have such a diversity of speakers giving different perspectives, from the scientific through to the financial, through to the legal, and all in consensus about how we have to deal with climate change. It's urgent, it's real, and it has to be addressed at G20.